The unveiling comes at a time when the People's Liberation Army Navy plan, already the world's largest navy by number of ships, is pushing ahead with rapid modernization to project its influence deeper into the Western Pacific. China is gearing up to showcase a new generation of extra-large unmanned underwater vehicles slooves during a high-profile military parade in Beijing, signaling its determination to challenge U.S. maritime dominance. According to media reports, the drones will make their public debut at the September 3rd event, which marks the 80th anniversary of the end of the Second Sino-Japanese War. The unveiling comes at a time when the People's Liberation Army Navy plan, already the world's largest navy by number of ships, is pushing ahead with rapid modernization to project its influence deeper into the Western Pacific. The September 3rd parade commemorates Japan's surrender in World War II, and Chinese defense authorities say it will feature weapon systems that highlight improved weapons equipment. Rehearsal footage circulating on Chinese social media suggests that at least two types of extra-large unmanned underwater vehicles slooves will be presented for the first time. One platform, labeled AJX-002, measures approximately 18 to 20 meters in length and is equipped with pump-jet propulsion and modular transport features. It has already been spotted uncovered during parade rehearsals. Another, larger model has remained covered by tarpaulin, though its exposed twin stern masts and shaped rudders point to a different design approach, according to Naval News, a defense analysis outlet. During rehearsals, 6 such craft were seen mounted on tank transporters, 4 AJX-002s and 2 unidentified larger variants. Design elements, such as lifting lugs and a segmented hull, indicate these systems are modular and crane launch capable. Naval News further reports that China now operates the world's largest XLUUV development program, with at least 5 different designs tested in recent years. In terms of sheer hull numbers, China now boasts the world's largest navy, with over 370 combat ships, overtaking even the United States Navy. China is modernizing its undersea fleet with nuclear-powered ballistic missile submarines (SSBNs), attack submarines (SSNs), and increasingly quiet diesel-electric boats. Much of this force is armed with advanced anti-ship and land attack missiles. Also read, China powers up Pakistan's navy again. 3rd hangar-class submar.